Today, I'm going to be giving myself the hiccups and trying to beatbox. My secret weapon to give me the hiccups is chilies. These bad boys, or any chilies usually, give me hiccups a lot, as anyone would know in my family or friends. These are the bird's eye Thai chilies. They range between, I think, 125 200 odd thousand on the Scoville scale. So they're about 10% heat of one of the hottest chilies in the world, which is the Carolina Reaper, which I couldn't get hold of and I'm not going to do because it was stupid. I'll leave that to other YouTubers. What I'm going to do first is cut one open just to show you it's a proper chili. There's a ton of seeds in these things. These things are pretty big. So yeah, I'm going to cut one open and then I'm then going to eat one. And I know for a fact it's going to give me hiccups within 5 seconds. Let's do this! Chili seeds galore. These are really fresh too, and I know for a fact these are hot. I cut one of these up and put it in a curry the other day. Destroyed my mouth. But that's the whole fun! Okay, I'm not going to put it off anymore. I've got to do this. I'm actually pretty nervous. And I've never tried to beatbox with hiccups before, so this could fail. So these are the chilies that I'm going to consume. Yes, I've got 2 here because I just don't want people to say, oh, the green ones aren't the hottest or the red ones aren't the hottest. So I'm going to do one of each. To me, really, it's not really about eating and consuming the chili. It's actually about getting hiccups. So yeah, it's a big build up to this, only because I'm trying to put it off as long as I can. God. Okay, here we go. Whoa, these are hot. And I've got no milk. Whoa, very hot. There we go. There we go. Right. I need to swallow before I start. Whoa. Okay, come on, hiccups. Please don't fail me now. Okay. Whoa. My hiccups are gone, I think. My mouth is on fire. I really need milk. But there we go. I nearly puked and I got the hiccups in there. I hope you enjoyed. Thumbs up and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Leave me some suggestions on what I could do next. Hope you all enjoyed. Bye bye. I'd say you now, 5 minutes later, that is not fun. I got no milk to help me out. I don't know how people eat these hot chilies. Whew. That was probably the shortest time I've ever had hiccups with chilies as well. Whew. I think I might try beatboxing every time I get hiccups because they've never gone that quick. As you saw on the video, I've just been my head down the sink for about 10 seconds. What felt like 10 minutes. But yeah, it's just still on fire. But it was fun. You know, I got the hiccups in there, so that's all I wanted to do. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Check out all this toilet rolls up there. Can you see that? Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed. And take care, guys. Bye.